Colonel Sanders is an inspirational figure who never gave up until he succeeded. He went door to door 1,009 times before his special fried chicken recipe was accepted, and he opened his first deal for a restaurant connected to a gas station. After that first gas station closed during the Great Depression, he accepted a second offer and reopened another restaurant. He felt his mission was to serve his finger-lickin-good chicken to hungry people at the right time with the right recipe at the right quality. In his 50s, his obsession with quality ruled out cooking the chicken ahead of time as a viable solution. In his 60s, he began franchising his chicken business. Colonel Sanders was traveling the world as a KFC mascot, dressed in his signature white suit with a pin tie that will not show flour stains while training in a kitchen. Colonel Sanders also teaches us to don't quit. It is never too late to start.